Orere bura ithiete na mbere na guthandana bururi-ini riu nigarukite na gutuika maithori thutha wa matura maingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi gukorwo makigomerwo ni muiyuro wa mai na gutiga aikari matari na uikaro angi magithererio ni muiyuro uyu angi magakorwo makiurwo ni mioyo yao. Biashara nyingi nireketie kuhingwo na oho kuyo gatharara amena mingi kaunti-ini ino ni undu wa muiyuro uyu. Gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Athe Sakaja kiria na andikia mohoro augite makiria ma andu 60,000 makiria atumia na ciana ni mahutitio ni muiyuro iyo na andu ana makorwo makiurwo ni mioyo yao na mihango ya gucaria ngia 6 ni yambikitwo.
60,000 people, mostly women and children, in Nairobi have been severely affected following the devastating flash floods which have hit the city. The areas which are adversely affected after last night's rains are Kibra, Lindi, Mathare 4A, Mathare North, Babadogo, Githurai, Mwiki, Kasarani, which is Kasarani constituency, a lot of the constituencies along our rivers. Our rivers have burst their banks. That is Ngong River, Nairobi River, Mathare River. We also have cases in Mau Mau, but all the rivers in the city, all of the 8 have actually burst their banks because of the torrential rains.
Sakaja na yote kugerera thirikari yake ni magerete ukorwo makifamilia ihutitio na irio mai ma kunywa hamwe na dawa oho ni gwite ni atumite andu ake gukorwo makihingura mai kuria mahingikite.
We're on the brink of a humanitarian crisis in the city. We have a large-scale coordinated response together also with our partners Red Cross, and we urge the people of Nairobi to cooperate. As that is done, of course, we have to provide for these people in the interim. So we are putting together food supplies, mattresses, blankets, dignity kits, hygiene kits and sanitary kits for the women, emergency drugs, water purification tablets, and also education support, because our children must be able to go back to school.
Sakaja ni kieteretana kuri ruhongerwa ukurwa Kenham gukorwo rugitura bara weru niguo kweheria muhatakano uriko kuurira bara cia hamai.
Our team are currently repairing those that are repairable, but for others we are just undertaking a quick response. Many roads have also been affected, including disruption of human movement and traffic. That is Mbagathi Way or Raila Odinga Way, Jogoo Road, Enterprise Road, Oleodume, Langata Road, near Timol, Langata South Road, the Eastern Bypass, and many others across the city. We understand that in as much as all the roads do not fall under the jurisdiction of the county, the people know the county, and so we are working also closely with Kenha and Kura and also Kera, and we're asking them to make sure that the engineers are on ground.
Hagirifotera Muthingi TV Jitikaga Wambui Wajau.